Hi guys, it's Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. Super exciting boat to show you today. It's the all-new Sea Ray 2026 SDX 230 Surf. This one we have in the Horizon Gray and the Highline trim package with the black hull bottom. You have a nice size bimini up top paired with the power tower. You also have the clamping, swiveling board racks for boards of all sizes. Swinging around to the back here, we have some cool features as well. We got our Sea Ray surf system underneath. This one has the underwater lights. You even have this flip down swim step here on the swim platform. So we'll hop on inside, check out some of the features on the inside. All right, hopping onto the inside of the boat here. Here on the aft, you'll see you have a huge spot for lounging. The seat back flips flat. Lay out, get a nice tan. Got some cup holders over there. Phone chargers and controls for your stereo. You even have the insert for the American flag over there. I love how you have the side walkthrough that steps down, cascading inside of the cockpit. You got in-floor storage there, also doubles as a cooler. Some more in-floor storage here in the cockpit. You got storage underneath all your seating here. You got a nice size storage compartment over here. Wireless charging pad, phone charger. This one has the upgraded sound system too, so you do get the subwoofer with it. Option to add tower speakers up here. On the helm side, you got an adjustable seat back here. So this will swivel forward if you want more conversational area here in the cockpit. Swivels back. Also have a nice bolster on it. Another wireless charging pad here by the throttle. You do have digital throttle control with trim assist. Your surf system also doubles as trim tab, so you can level your running surface while you're underway. Right now I have it set up so you got your charts on one side here in the Simrads, and you have your surf system on the other. It's interchangeable, so you can set it up however you like. You got nice access to your general switching here. And then moving on forward, love this with the new design. Followed the 250 with the off-center walkthrough up to the bow, which gives you a massive storage compartment down here. You can also put a porta potty down there as well. Tons of headroom down there for a 23-foot boat. On your passenger side console here, you got your stereo controls, you got a nice glove box here, nice big pad to put any other items you have, and you also have a massive storage compartment here which holds your table leg. You also see it's got the insert up here for the bow, which I'll show you in a second. Moving on up, again, can't emphasize enough how much seating area there is in this boat. Tons of room. You can even fill this out with the filler cushion that I was mentioning before. You also have phone chargers over here, cup holders. You see the nice illuminating lighting package it's got on the interior. Just a great overall boat. Surf's even better. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Come out, test it out with us. Come see us at the store, give us a call. Happy to fill you in. Thanks for watching.